hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support on my previous video. I am back with another interesting travel vlog. Thank you guys, thank you so much for your love and support on my previous video on Ooty part 1. So if you guys haven't watched the part 1 video, I'll give the link in the below description, so please do go and check it, because this is a continuation vlog of Ooty part 2. So guys, as you've seen in the video, previous video, so we have reached from Bangalore to Aventura Resort. So time was around 1:30 at the time of we reaching at the resort. So in this vlog, it's gonna be a very interesting vlog. The place is really amazing. I'm gonna give a detailed review about the place, the kind of stay experience that they offer, the rates, the restaurant. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Hari Vivan. I'm basically a travel enthusiast and a foodie. So you're gonna see travel and food vlogs in our channel. So I upload videos very frequently. So guys, without any delay, we are in Ooty and time is around 2:30 now. We've just finished our lunch, so it's time to check into the resort. So guys, we are here in Aventura, Ooty. So it's one of the most hidden places that offers an amazing stay experience in Ooty. So with the great difficulties, we actually found this particular property. Once we found out, we were just mesmerized with the kind of stay option that they are offering. The kind of stay experience that they offer is really very amazing. So guys, they offer three kinds of accommodation. One is called the Hobbit House, second is the Teepees, and third is a tent. And guys, without any delay, I'm going to give a quick review about this particular resort. So if you're planning for your stay in Ooty, this might be a very good option. It is actually meant for naturists, adventurer people, couples and friends, and highly recommend you to come and visit this place. So let's go and check the rooms, guys. Okay guys, the place that you saw just now is basically the reception and the restaurant. So they have got the fixed timings. The breakfast will be served between 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the lunch is between 1 to 3, and after that the evening snacks is from 4 to 6, and the restaurant again starts from 7 to 9. So basically they have got fixed menus, and the only thing that you get here is basically veg. And guys, only breakfast is included in your stay, and lunch and dinner is you will have to order it from the restaurant. In case if you want to buy non-veg, you can order it online, or you can just go to the Ooty main city and get your dishes. And another thing is guys, point to be noted is that basically Tamil Nadu government has banned plastic in Ooty, so it will be high time for you to get any water bottles available. So it's always better to carry your own water bottles over here, because so guys, there are basically 5 layers over here. The first layer is basically the restaurants. It's basically a step hill. The second layer is basically for the parking, and third layer is for the tents. Fourth is for the teepees, and fifth is for the Hobbit. So guys, as you've seen, this is the we are at the third layer where the tents are situated. The cost for the tent is around 2,000 rupees, which includes your breakfast and plus the GST. It can easily accommodate 2 people along with a very minimum luggage. So guys, we are basically at the fourth layer, which is the Teepees. The place is really amazing. As you can see, the 360-degree view with the hilltop with the Teepees. The accommodation is also very nice. It's basically one-time experience that you're gonna have. So Teepees are basically small huts which is A-shaped. It can actually accommodate 2 people perfectly and with very minimum luggage. So the cost of the Teepees is actually 2,500 plus taxes. Now let's go to the fifth layer now. So guys, we have come to the final and the fifth layer. So this is basically the Hobbit hole. So the price for this particular Hobbit hole is 3,000 rupees plus taxes. And as I told you earlier, it's a one-time experience. You have to definitely come and visit this place. So guys, I'll give you the complete details in the description below, right from the Google coordinates of this particular place, the particular resort number. So any queries, you can directly get in touch with the resort. And guys, I highly recommend you to come and visit this place. It's really very stunning. To like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The only best way that you can support the channel is by subscribing it, so please do subscribe it.